Let's dive into a common digital dilemma, the infamous search struggle. Welcome to Who is ML? You know that feeling, right? You're on a quest for knowledge, but search results seem like a jigsaw puzzle missing half its pieces. Fear not, because today I'm unveiling Google's new generative AI search experience, a potential knight in shining armor for all your search woes. Get ready to embark on a journey through the realms of AI-powered exploration and discover whether Google's new tool can truly transform your digital quest. Curious minds like yours and mine are in for a treat as they invite us, the beta testers, to join the adventure. Our portal? In Google Labs, scroll down to the section Help Shape the Future of Information, and with a click, you get to experience AI-enhanced search. Hold on a moment though. Before we move on, drop a like on this video and ensure you're subscribed to our channel, Who is ML? Appreciate your support. Now let's circle back to the main event, Google's AI search experience. Picture this, you're curious about the wonders of shooting stars. Instead of wading through a sea of unrelated results, Google's AI search promises an oasis of knowledge. Click on the inviting Try AI-powered overviews, and you're presented with a realm of prompts, eager to unravel your queries. Go ahead, ask questions like, what are the odds of spotting a shooting star? Here's where the magic unfolds. Google's AI doesn't stop at a simple answer. It delves deeper, serving up responses that not only quench your thirst for knowledge, but ignite your curiosity further. Imagine asking about shooting stars and receiving an answer like this. In any 15-minute window, there's a 20% chance of witnessing a mesmerizing shooting star. But that's not all. Pose follow-up questions like, how can I differentiate between a shooting star and a satellite? And you're gifted with a treasure trove of information and a roadmap for your next quest. All right, let's hit pause on Google's playground for a moment. Ever wondered if AI can flex its coding muscles? The answer is a resounding yes. It's time for a showdown, ChatGPT versus Bing. Ready for a challenge? Throw an HTML request at Google's AI and watch it craft a basic website, a canvas waiting for your digital masterpiece. But hold on tight, the excitement doesn't stop there. Let's kick it up a notch. How about JavaScript? Challenge accepted. Google's AI conjures JavaScript magic, crafting the code for a side-scrolling game that could give even seasoned developers a run for their money. It's an impressive feat, but there's a twist in the tale. Well, almost remember, even the digital realm has its moments of mystery. Now let's take a detour and explore the vast plains of search engines. In one corner, we have Google reigning supreme in understanding user intent and delivering results at warp speed. But don't dismiss the underdog. Bing brings its unique flavor to the table, excelling in customization and conversation, ensuring your search experience is as personalized as your favorite playlist. But here's the crux. Google isn't content with just being a spectator. It's on a mission to prove itself, taking a page from Bing's book and fine-tuning its AI search prowess. While Google's AI might need a little homework before it can outshine Bing, let's not underestimate the power of innovation and the minds at Google's disposal. Could the tables turn in the future? Let's keep our virtual eyes peeled. Join our growing community of curious minds, always hungry for the latest tech revelations. Share this video with your friends. Until we meet again in the digital realm, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and embrace the AI-powered future. Elevate your tech game. Catch you on the flip side.